Greetings and good day all. I'd like to start by thanking the organizers for their kind invitation for me to speak here today. I regret that I'm unable to be there in person, but hopefully this virtual contribution can still add meaningful value. My name is Aysar Tayeb. I head the Prosperity 7 Ventures. Prosperity 7 is a $1 billion financial return VC under Aramco Ventures. The fund, or shall I say the program, is aimed at growth and diversification. And because we can afford to, under Prosperity 7, we really take a long-term view at the world. And we aim to invest in the most disruptive and innovative technologies, applications, and business models that can truly have significant impact on and contribution to society. Our investment in Red Date, which symbolizes our support for the BSN or the Blockchain Service Network, falls in the heart of this long-term goal. We are strong believers in blockchain and the value it can unlock. Aramco already has several investments in this area and was recognized by Forbes last year in their list of top blockchain enterprises. But let's take a step back. Everyone here probably knows the importance of blockchain technology, the ability to have an undisputable ledger that can record transactions and track all types of assets in a super secure business network which can only be accessed by permissioned network members. A blockchain network can track orders, payments, accounts, production, deliverables, transfers, and much more. And because members share a single view of the truth, you can see all details of the transaction end to end, giving you greater confidence as well as much more efficiencies and opportunities. As we all know, there are various blockchain networks and protocols all around. There are public networks, private networks, permissioned networks, consortium networks, and others. Then on top of that, there are also hundreds, if not thousands, of applications that are built on these various networks. From smart contracts and retail goods monitoring to tracking healthcare and all the way to improving security of cryptocurrency movements, blockchain applications are already transforming how business is done across various sectors. However, nothing comes without its challenges. One of the main challenges that needs to be overcome in order to unlock blockchain potential is interoperability. With an increasing number of players and so many different networks, there is that great challenge of not having a common standard to allow them to interact with each other. There are also difficulties associated with costs and complexities where developers require lots of where development requires lots of high-skilled expertise, and then keeping these distributed records requires a lot of storage space, which can be costly. There are also the challenges associated with regulations, especially when blockchain is used as an exchange. Such challenges are slowing down the adoption of blockchain. Most technology giants today are working their best trying to create what is known as blockchain as a service, where templates are offered in order to make it easier for developers to set up and run blockchain networks. We see the BSN as a unique and visionary initiative that is working to address most of these challenges and more. Hence came our investment in Red Date and support for the BSN, because we strongly believe in the value that blockchain will have in changing the way we do things for the better. We think the BSN is an intriguing platform that promises to accelerate blockchain adoption and deployment. BSN actually is already helping to make it easier and cheaper for developers to build blockchain applications, almost like what AWS did for SaaS applications. Reaching a state eventually where different blockchain networks can talk to each other through the BSN can truly unlock the potential of blockchain. This can be similar to the inflection point in internet history where HTTP was adopted as the standard protocol for data exchange on the World Wide Web. With such interoperability, the BSN would be a valuable platform for companies, no matter what their business is or in what geography they operate. When we started looking at the BSN, I have to admit we were skeptical at the beginning, similar to many that looked at it. But through detailed diligence and time, we got to learn more about it and really got comfortable with what it is and inspired by what it's attempting to achieve. One of the important takeaways for us was that this is not a China-based network, as many may think. Instead, it's an initiative that can have global impact and offer better access and services for developers, customers, and clients anywhere in the world. And where eventually it can be easier, faster, safer, and cheaper to transfer assets and data as well as do business in an efficient and secure manner, which could unleash significant value creation for large companies like Saudi Aramco and ultimately for all businesses, large and small, not just in China, but everywhere else in the world. I thank you for your attention and wish you a continuous day of very fruitful and insightful events. Have a great day.